Guys, tayo nananaga na kawayan. Ay, gamitis na kubo. Saka itlog naman ako. Yun. Nakaka-12 na. Tinulungan ako nag-rest eh. Labong. Ito lang po ang nakuha at ito ang basura. Mas marami ang basura kaysa sa nakuha. Kuha tayong nyug na panggata sa labong. Tayo ng nyug panggata sa labong. Nyug at santol para sa labong. Maraming bulaklak ang balingbing. May napitas akong isa. Mutsobo, saka sipon. Ayan po. Ito na po ang ating nakuha ng gata. Ito bili. Ito ani, harvest. Hindi na, kakanggata. Kakanggata. Lahat nyo yan. Inailahat nyo na. Magkakait tayo ng iba para doon sa ampalaya nyo. Masarap. Hindi, huwag nyo nalang hiwain. Kasi labong naman yan, hindi naman yan, ano. Miski na, masarap sa labong eh, hindi manghang. Manghang na yung gawa niyan, luya at paminta nyo eh. Ang masarap na maanghang yung ibang ginataan. Pero pag sa labong, masarap yung lasang-lasang gata lang. Luto na po. Kain po.
But living in Japan for the last 10 years, I'm determined to show her a side of Japan she has never seen before. Welcome to the best ever food review show, the show where we eat 3 different foods at 3 different price points. And at the end, we tell you which one is a good value for the amount of money that we paid for that food.
So it's kind of like the show Worth It.
Worth it.
You know, like BuzzFeed.
For that much money, I'd eat that. Do you think it's a bit shorter?
Bang for your buck.
It blows our socks off, and which is truly the best
Kain po.
for your dog. Completely unrelated to BuzzFeed's Worth It. What does ramen mean to Japan?
Ooh, it's definitely like a staple food with them. It is one of those foods you can find on almost every street corner.
Ramen is the divine harmony sung by 3 angels.